To ensure accurate, standardized product data, especially for electrical products, manufacturers rely on the European Technical Information Model, known as ETIM. However, with ETIM discontinuing translations in the often used IXF files, users will no longer be able to import ETIM dictionary data in their preferred languages, limiting their ability to work with translated ETIM product data. Additionally, managing translations through IXF files has consistently been cumbersome and inefficient. Customers need a new and efficient way to retrieve ETIM translations so that they can continue to receive standardized and clear product information. In 24.4, we are introducing support for the new ETIM Service API to provide the ETIM dictionary faster, simpler, and, not the least, centralized. This new solution will enable customers to connect to multiple servers to obtain ETIM translation updates. Our new solution also supports scheduled updates of ETIM Dynamic, ensuring continuous access to the latest version of ETIM and timely standardized product information, despite the changes in the translation availability. Our new ETIM dictionary data import solution will allow customers to continue working with ETIM in different languages faster and more efficiently, ensuring continuous business processes. Let me present how the ETIM dictionary import process works. We go to File, Import, then ETIM. The Import ETIM wizard displays. On step 1, we select the ETIM version to import. In our case here, let's select ETIM 9.0. Once we select the ETIM version, the article groups dialog displays. As an example, let's select 3 article groups that must be imported. Then go next. We go to step 2, where we select the languages to import. Then go next. Leave the step 3 the way it is and click Finish. As soon as we click the OK, the import process starts. It's important to highlight that the import process uses an import workflow. Once the background process is finished and succeeded, we can see the new ETIM data that has been imported. Then we can go to the new imported ETIM article groups, in our case 9, and check the classifications created in different languages for the new ETIM version. We can also schedule the ETIM import. We go to File, Import, Schedule ETIM option. The scheduled ETIM import wizard is pretty much what we are used to. We select a configuration, schedule the import as needed, make sure the process name is correct, and finished. Then it's the same process. And this is the end of our new ETIM dictionary import demo.